Let's go on a culinary journey together. With pistachios. Oh, man.
So I've been thinking a lot about this lately. We really don't have pistachio desserts where I'm from, but in Europe I've seen them everywhere. So what am I missing out on here? So apparently these are some of the oldest known nuts, and people have been eating them for centuries. But how do you use them in a dessert?
Well, before we can get to any serious dessert making, we gotta make this.
So as you could see, to get to this point, you just need to blanch the pistachios for about 2 minutes and then rub off the skins with a towel. That should give you a nice clean pistachio to start with. Now, as far as the rest of the ingredients, it's really simple. It's just powdered sugar and water after you've got the pistachios. I'm going to do everything by weight here, and that's how I suggest you do it as well. And you just take the weight of the pistachios and cut it in half and add that in powdered sugar. And same thing for water. So I'm going to add my pistachios here. And then after that, my powdered sugar. So I'll leave some measurements down below so you can just follow those. But after that, we just want to blitz them together. Now at this point you're going to want to grab your water and we're going to add it to what we have of the paste already. You can see it's sort of clumpy, and when I first made it, it wound up coming out pretty close to this. And this is really the secret. You've got to add a little bit more liquid to it. And there you have it. That's exactly what you want to see. Now, please stay tuned for the next episode where we're going to make a dessert with this pistachio paste.